Imagine a world where articles write themselves, emails draft perfectly, and conversations flow with an unseen intelligence. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's increasingly our reality. The rapid evolution of artificial intelligence, particularly large language models like ChatGPT, has sparked both excitement and apprehension. Is this the future we're heading towards? Will AI eventually replace human intellect and labor, or will it usher in an era of unprecedented collaboration? This video aims to unpack ChatGPT's capabilities, its current limitations, and its potential future. We'll explore whether we're on the brink of an AI takeover or an AI-powered renaissance. At its core, ChatGPT is a large language model, or LLM. It's a sophisticated AI designed to understand and generate human-like text. This remarkable ability stems from its training on massive amounts of text data, encompassing books, articles, websites, and more. The journey from early AI models to ChatGPT has been nothing short of incredible. From GPT-1 to the highly advanced GPT-4, we've witnessed exponential growth in AI's linguistic prowess. These advancements have led to significant improvements in understanding, fluency, and the ability to generate text that is remarkably human-like. ChatGPT's core strengths are diverse and powerful. It excels at understanding and responding to complex prompts, making it a versatile tool for many applications. It can generate various creative text formats, from poetry to code, and effortlessly translate languages. The widespread use cases for ChatGPT are already transforming industries in daily life. In content creation, it assists writers by generating ideas, drafting articles, and even crafting scripts or poems. This significantly streamlines the creative process. Customer support is another area where ChatGPT shines. It powers intelligent chatbots that provide instant answers to common questions and handle basic inquiries. This frees up human agents for more complex issues, improving efficiency and customer satisfaction. Developers are also leveraging ChatGPT for coding assistance. It can help write code snippets, debug existing programs, and even explain complex programming concepts. This accelerates development cycles and reduces errors. The undeniable improvements in productivity across various sectors highlight AI's transformative potential. Despite its impressive capabilities, it's crucial to remember that ChatGPT is not perfect. It operates based on patterns learned from data, not genuine understanding. This means it struggles significantly with common sense reasoning, a fundamental aspect of human intelligence. One notable limitation is its tendency to hallucinate, meaning it can generate incorrect or misleading information with high confidence. This is because it prioritizes plausible-sounding text over factual accuracy. Users must always verify information provided by the AI. Furthermore, ChatGPT lacks human emotional intelligence and nuanced understanding. It cannot truly comprehend the world, human experiences, or the subtle complexities of social interactions. Its responses are statistical predictions, not reflections of consciousness or genuine empathy. The rise of AI naturally raises questions about its impact on the job market. Certain roles, particularly those involving repetitive or data-driven tasks like basic writing, translation, and entry-level coding, are indeed vulnerable to automation. This shift requires a proactive approach to career development. However, this technological evolution is also leading to the emergence of entirely new job opportunities. The demand for specialized skills related to AI is growing rapidly. New roles are appearing that focus on interacting with, training, and overseeing AI systems. For instance, prompt engineers are now crucial for crafting effective AI prompts to achieve desired outputs. AI trainers are needed to refine models and ensure their accuracy. Critically, AI ethicists are essential for guiding the responsible development and deployment of these powerful technologies. The economic landscape is undoubtedly changing, and adaptation will be key for individuals and industries alike. Looking ahead, we can expect even more powerful AI models, such as the anticipated GPT-5, with significantly enhanced capabilities. These future iterations will likely exhibit greater reasoning abilities and reduce tendencies to hallucinate. The trajectory of AI development points towards increasingly sophisticated systems. A major development on the horizon is multimodal AI, which will be able to process and generate not just text, but also images, audio, and even video. This will unlock entirely new applications and forms of interaction. We can also anticipate more seamless, real-time interactions with AI, making it an even more integrated part of our daily lives. However, as AI becomes more powerful and pervasive, crucial considerations come to the forefront. Robust regulation will be necessary to govern its use and prevent misuse. Developing clear ethical guidelines is paramount to ensure AI benefits all humanity and does not exacerbate existing inequalities. The most likely future scenario is not an AI takeover, but rather a powerful human-AI collaboration. AI is best viewed as an augmentative tool, designed to enhance human capabilities, not replace them entirely. It can handle the mundane, repetitive tasks, freeing humans to focus on higher-level thinking and creativity. To future-proof careers in this evolving landscape, individuals should focus on upskilling in uniquely human attributes. Critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving will become even more valuable. These are areas where AI currently falls short and where human input remains indispensable. Consider writers using AI for brainstorming ideas or generating initial drafts, then applying their unique voice and critical judgment. Designers can leverage AI to generate countless variations, then select and refine the best ones. Businesses can use AI to streamline operations, allowing employees to focus on strategic initiatives and innovation. The verdict is clear. Unstoppable teamwork between humans and AI is the most probable and beneficial outcome. Artificial intelligence is not a passing fad. It is here to stay and will continue to evolve at an astonishing pace. Our responsibility as humans is to actively shape its future. We must guide its development ethically, integrate it wisely, and leverage its power to solve complex global challenges. The future is not about humans versus machines, but about humans with machines. How are you preparing for an AI-driven future? Share your thoughts and strategies in the comments below. If you found this discussion insightful, please like this video and subscribe for more content on the future of technology.